Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will hear food-related conversations. The vocabulary utilized in the dialogues is quite valuable for beginners. Pause the video, make a note of the terms you don't understand, and then listen again. Thank you for listening. Breakfast.
What are you going to have for breakfast?
I just have some cereal each morning.
You know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day?
Yeah, but I don't usually have time to eat a big breakfast. Because I sometimes run late in the morning and can't make breakfast.
That's not a good excuse. It's easy to make a quick breakfast.
Tell me what you eat in the morning.
When I need to make a quick breakfast, I just make some oatmeal, toast, and orange juice.
That sounds pretty good.
I like it, and it's a fast meal. It's not time-consuming at all.
It doesn't take much time to make.
Would you like me to make something?
Why don't you make me some oatmeal and toast?
I will now, just wait 5 minutes.
I'm looking forward.
It is ready now, please taste and rate it.
Wow. It is really delicious. Thank you.
So, are you still going to have cereal?
I think I'm going to make myself some oatmeal and toast.
Lunch.
Do you know what you want to eat for lunch?
I have no idea. What about you?
I was thinking of pizza.
I had pizza for lunch yesterday.
So, what do you feel like eating then?
How about some burgers?
I already had a burger yesterday.
What are we going to do?
We can just each get what we want to get. You could always get a burger, and I can get a pizza.
Sounds good to me. Let's do that then.
Do you know a place that sells pizza and burgers?
Yes, I know a fast food restaurant next to our apartment. They sell both pizza and burger.
Let's go there.
They provide a delivery option. If you like, we may order to home.
It is fine, let's do it. I'm starving.
Ordering food at the cafeteria.
I am absolutely famished.
Yeah. I am too. Let's go get something to eat.
Where did you want to go for lunch? Is there somewhere you wanted to go eat at?
We can always go to the cafeteria and eat.
I never bought food from the cafeteria.
You haven't? They have a lot of good stuff. I actually like the food there.
Does the cafeteria sell a lot of different food? What kind of food do they serve?
They sell everything. You can get whatever you want at the cafeteria.
I was thinking about getting some Chinese food.
I bought some chow mein at the cafeteria. It tasted great.
I guess we can eat there then.
Trust me, the food isn't half bad. You'll really like the food there.
At the cafeteria.
What can I get for you today, madam?
Could I get a hamburger, please?
Would you like cheese on that?
No, thank you.
And you, sir?
I would like some Chinese food, if you have.
Yeah, we have fresh Chinese noodles and seafood. What would you like?
It would be better some noodles and fried lobster with spicy sauce.
Would you like a drink?
Let me have a Coke.
May I have a Sprite, please?
Sure, no problem. Would you like anything else?
Let me get a bag of chips too. That's everything.
Drinks.
I'm so thirsty. My throat is really dry.
Do you want to go get something to drink?
That's a good idea. Let's do that.
Do you know what you want to drink?
I was thinking about getting a soda.
Soda isn't the best thing to drink when you're thirsty.
What do you mean?
When you're thirsty, you're not supposed to drink soda. Soda is really bad for you.
What are you supposed to drink?
Water is what's best for you. It is good for your health.
That sounds good.
That's what will keep you from being thirsty.
Thank you for your recommendation. Other than water, what would you prefer to drink?
I prefer coffee to tea, especially first thing in the morning or at work.
How about some beer? Do you enjoy beer?
I don't drink beer very often because I normally drive, so I only drink it at parties or other gatherings.
Would you prefer a cocktail or a milkshake?
Not too much.
I enjoy making various types of cocktails at home and drinking them.
Really? I had no idea you had such talent.
Yes, I can prepare something for you when you come to see me.
Snacks.
I need to eat something. I'm hungry.
Didn't you just eat?
It wasn't enough, because I'm hungry again.
There's no food left from dinner. We ate everything.
I think I'm going to go make myself a snack.
Do you know what kind of snack that you want?
I'm not exactly sure.
Why don't you make yourself a sandwich or something?
I have no idea what kind of sandwich I want to make.
Just make yourself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
I'm going to do that.
Maybe you should. However, you can make some desserts, such as cake, in addition to this.
Oh, Tony, it'll take a long time, and I'm starving.
Okay, it was only a suggestion, but what kinds of snacks do you like in general?
If I'm not very hungry, I like spicy chips, but if I'm hungry, I'll eat anything, but my favorite is sandwich. What's your favorite snack?
Dried fruit and fried chicken wings are my favorite snacks.
Wow, you have a good sense of taste.
Thank you. I strive to feed healthy.
That's great, but fried food isn't exactly healthy.
I know. I don't eat fried food very often, maybe once a week or once every 10 days.
That is a wise choice, Tony. It appears you have a strong will.
Thank you. You can do it as well.
Oh, no, I can't stop eating.
Making a shopping list.
I'm thinking of going to the market today. If I have a free time after work.
Do we need food?
I believe we are all out of food.
What are you going to buy? Have you made a shopping list?
I'm not sure what we need. We can make shopping list together.
Maybe you should go and look in the refrigerator.
I would appreciate it if you do that for me, and write out a list of things that we need.
Why don't you just get the basics?
What do you mean?
Eggs, milk, bread. Things like that.
Just go and make a list for me, please. What makes you so lazy?
Okay, I'll go do that for you. Please do not be upset.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Here it is. I made it, and I also added some cleaning supplies.
Thank you, Tony.
Do you need assistance with your shopping?
No, thank you. I prefer to shop alone.
Okay, just remember to call a taxi before leaving the supermarket. It will be difficult to take everything home.
Don't worry, I'm heading to the supermarket next to us. Thank you for thinking of me.
In the supermarket.
Could you tell me where the cereal is?
If you go to the breakfast aisle, you'll find the cereal there.
What breakfast foods?
They're over by the oatmeal and the breakfast bars.
I think I know what you're talking about. I can find that.
Did you need help finding anything else?
Could you point me toward the dishwashing detergent?
That would be over by the paper towels and toilet paper.
I didn't even think about that. Thank you so much for helping me.
If you need anything else, please feel free to ask me.
Have you ever done your shopping at Whole Foods Market?
I haven't shopped there. How is the food there?
It's very good, and it's fresh too.
I usually shop at Vaughn's.
I used to shop there, but I find the food at Whole Foods to be a lot better.
What's wrong with Vons?
Their range of organic foods is very limited.
Is there a big selection of organic foods at Whole Foods?
They have lots of healthier food at Whole Foods.
I haven't been shopping there, but maybe I'll try it sometime.
Yes, that's the place to go to get healthier food. Whole Foods is way better than Vons, trust me.
Thanks for letting me know. I would like to purchase some meat.
What kind of meat would you like to get today?
First off, I'm going to need a pound of ground beef.
The ground beef is $4.48 a pound.
That's perfect.
What else will you be needing?
I'm also going to need 3 pounds of chicken breasts.
The chicken breasts cost $3.05 per pound.
Can you tell me the total cost of the chicken breasts?
That will be $9.15.
That's all I'm going to get today.
All right, let me get your meat for you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.